So there is no drug in the name of Chandanadvaya. We have to consider Chandanadvaya as the two types of Chandana, that is based on the Varna, based on the color, that is Shweta Chandana and Rakta Chandana. Shweta Chandana and Rakta Chandana are the two drugs. So you can consider as Chandanadvaya. Okay. We'll see one by one regarding the first Chandana. So the introduction, we are getting information Chandana in Vedic period, that is Vedic text. They have quoted, they are using Chandana along with the other aromatic herbs. Along with the other aromatic herbs, they are using Chandana for external applications. For external applications, they are using like Sugandhi Dravyas are there. So among them, so Chandana is considered. So Chandana is one of the most important and precious aromatic drug. So that's why they used to consider as a Gandharaja. Chandana is considered as king among the aromatic drugs, Gandharaja. So since from Vedic period, we are getting information. So even the holy books like the holy text like Ramayana, Mahabharata, even the Puranas are also, we are getting information about Chandana, and also the text like Kautilya Arthashastra, the other text also they have mentioned about its utility. When coming to the, even in the Vedic text, it is mentioned that Chandana Manidharana, there is the crystals of sandalwood, if you wear, so it is going to act like a Varchasya and Ayushya. Varchasya means the drugs one which increases the skin complexion. Because of this only Acharya Charaka mentioned it is one among the Varnya Mahakashaya Dravyas. Varchasya and Ayushya, that is the drugs one which increases the longevity. So just by wearing the Chandana, which increases the complexion. Okay. And Acharya Charaka in Sutrasthana 25th chapter, while explaining about the Agradravyas, he mentions Chandhanam Durgandaharam. Chandhanam Durgandaharam Daha Nirvapana Lepananam Sreshtam. Chandhanam Durgandaharam Daha Nirvapana Lepananam Sreshtam. Okay. So among the Durgandahara Dravyas, among the Durgandahara Dravyas and Daha Shamaka Dravyas, so Chandana is best drug. So Chandana, which specifies the Daha, and also which will overcome the Durgandas by external application, that is Lepananam. Among these, so Chandana is considered Sreshta. Okay, so next we'll move to the another slide. So as you all know, the Chandana, so it is under the supervision of the state governments. It is cultivated under the supervision of state governments. So this is since from 1792. Since from 1792, the Tipu Sultan is the king of Mysore Samsthan. So he used to rule the kingdom of Mysore. So he declared that sandalwood as a royal tree. See, it is a royal tree. It is king among the trees. Royal tree. That is Rajharya. So only the royal families, they are going to use like that. They used to say. So the Tipu Sultan, he is the king of Mysore. So he used to rule this Mysore Samsthan. So he declared that Chandana plant as a royal tree. So it should be considered under the government control. It is considered under the government control. But this did more harm to than good. Instead of because of its the highly valuable as like the gold. So this is the only one plant where the stem is stem is sold in the market in kilograms. Usually the stems are sold based on its the diameter in the quintals or tons they used to sold. But this is the only one plant. This is the only one plant which is sold in kilograms. So it is having that much of valuable plant. It is that much of valuable plant. Okay. So since 1792, by Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore kingdom, so he declared that sandalwood as royal tree. So since from 1792 up to till 2002, 1792, 92 to 2002, it is under the supervision of government of state governments. Only the state government only they used to sell this plant. But 2002 onwards, so the plant it becomes almost the scarcity is developed. The preparations like the sandalwood oil or the sandalwood, the preparations or the medicines or the cosmetic purpose, what they are preparing, since the 2002 onwards, the scarcity is developed. So because of this scarcity, so the state government has decided give permission to the common peoples, so he can cultivate that one. He can cultivate and he can harvest, but it should be has to take the permission from the state government. They have created one that is one the board they have made. So over that board, so you have to register yourself how many hectare the areas you are going to cultivate, how many number of plants you are going to cultivate. So you have to inform the state government board, and while harvesting, how many number of plants you are going to harvest, that also we have to inform to that board. So this is occurred since from 2002 onwards because of the scarcity of the drugs. So if you assume that is nowadays in the market, per kg the chandana, a good the quality of chandana, that is in Bhavaprakash Nigantu he mentioned that the good quality of chandana as swade tiktam kashe pitam chedhe raktam tanau shitam granti kotar sanyuktam chandana grahya muchyate. So in Bhavaprakash Nigantu he used to say, so which type of the chandana you have to collect, which type of chandana is considered as the best variety of chandana. So based on this, even the state government board, they have decided, they have fixed some of the criteria for the assessment of the good quality of chandana. So this is Bhavaprakash Nigantu mentioned, these are considered the good quality. So according to modern, there are some technicals like TLC, HPTLC, GC, a fingerprinting method. So depending upon the different criteria, they used to fix the good quality. How much the quantity of the active principles like centalol, so which is present in that particular the heartwood. So depending upon that, they used to fix the rate. So what Acharya Bhava Mishra says, Swadhe tiktam kashe pitam chedhe raktam tanau shitam granti kotara sanyuktam. That is based on these character, he used to say it is a chandana is a best drug for medicinal purpose. So what is Swadhe tiktam? Swadhe tiktam. When the drug comes in contact with the rasanendriya, so it should have tikta rasa. Swadhe tiktam. Please remember, or please recollect what are the characters of tikta rasa. That is pratihanti nipate yo rasanam swadate nacha sa tikto mukha vaishadyo shosha prahallada karakaha. So these are the characters of tikta rasa. Pratihanti nipate yo rasanam. Pratihanti, which will stop, which will obstruct, which will not allow. Pratihanti, nipate. So nipata matra se, as and when the dravya comes in contact with the rasanam, the rasanendriya, jhuva. So the which will not allow to pursue the other rasas. So this is the important character of tikta rasa. Yes, pratihanti nipate yo rasanam. So tikta rasa is the one which will not allow to pursue the other rasas. That is the lakshana of tikta rasa. Okay. So here the chandana is having swade tiktam. So when the drug comes in contact with the rasanendriya, so immediately which will not allow to pursue the other rasas. That is tikta rasa. Okay. Swade tiktam. Kashe pitam. When you rub, like in the grinder, you can triturate, you can grind. So when you grind the heartwood, you will get kashe pitam, the color of the heartwood, which becomes yellowish in color. Kashe pitam. Chede raktam. When you cut, at that time, it is having red color. Swadhe tiktam kashe pitam chede raktam. When you cut, it becomes red color. Tanaushītam. So this is also very important character. Tanaushītam. When you touch by sparshanendriya. So because of this only, they used to consider as shashira. Shashiram virena sparsham cha sitam virena. They used to say, like when you touch, so by touching, you will get sita sparshata. That is swade tiktam kashe pitam chede raktam tanaushītam. When you touch, so it is coolant. It is having cool to touch. Tanaushītam. Granthi kotara sanyuktam. You should have like the glands are knotty, hard, should have hard knots. Granthi kotara sanyuktam. Chandanam grahyam uchyate. So if it is having these type of characters, they used to consider as best quality. So if you are cultivating best quality of chandana, so in the market you will get minimum the good quality chandana in India. Minimum the per kg is 15,000 rupees per kg. 1 kg of chandana you will get minimum 15,000 in India. But in the out of countries, it is 2 to 3 times higher than the Indian values. If you are getting 15,000 in India, so in other countries, so it is maybe around about 45 to 50,000 rupees per kg. It is having that much of costliest drug. Okay. So next, the farmer KC Dinesh planted 2,500 chandana saplings on 4 hectares of his land in Karnataka, Chitradurga district. So he cultivated 2,500 plants in 4 hectares that he expected 12 to 15 crore rupees. 12 to 15 crore rupees after 10 years. After 10 years, he can get 12 to 15 crore rupees. Just assume that how much, so the income is there. The problem is, so everyone you can cultivate, but when you cultivate, the protection is the main problem. So as it is, the cost of the drug is very high. So most of the peoples, they are smuggling this drug. Okay. So the third point we see, the sandalwood was smuggled, and so its movement and its cultivation, sale, everything is monitored by state governments. As per the state rule, it is under the supervision of state governments. Okay. So sandalwood is smuggled. So it is very difficult to cultivate. Means only because of the smuggling purpose. So it is a very commonly available plant in India, especially in Karnataka. In everywhere we used to get the suitable climate is there. Because of this climate, in most of the hilly areas, most of the river sides, so you will get this plant. Okay. So sandalwood was smuggled, and so its movement and the cultivation and sale, so everything is monitored by the state government. Okay. So this is the one plant where its stem is sold in kilograms. Next, we'll move to the basonym of chandana. So the basonym of chandana is chandayati ahladayati janan sugandhatvat sitalatvacha. Chandayati ahladayati. Ahladana. So ahladana means the pleasantness. So chandana is the one which gives the pleasantness. Ahladayati janan, one which produces the ahladana, pleasantness. How? Sugandhatvat sitalatvacha. Because of its aromatic nature, because of its sugandha, because of its sitala sparsha, which produces the pleasantness. Are you getting my point? So what is chandana? Chandayati ahladayati. So chandana is the one which produces the pleasantness. How? Or because of its sugandha, because of its sitala. So because of this aromatic nature, because of its coolant effect, one which produces the ahladana, one which produces the pleasantness. Okay. Chandayati ahladayati janan sugandhatva sitalatvacha. This is the basonym of Chandana. So in the examination, so many times they asked, write the basonym of Malayaja. Write the basonym of Malayaja. So Malayaja means, so this is the synonym of Chandana. Malayaja. So this is based on the availability of Chandana plant. Malaya, ja means Jeniso, means the natural source, natural availability, the habitat, naturally availability of the plant is in Malaya region. That is in Western Ghats, abundantly this plant is available. So based on it, they used to say. So like a Dravida, Dravida is the synonym of based on the availability. Dravida is a synonym of Ela. Elayati, that is Elayati iti il prerane, one which stimulates, one which is having Mukadaurgandha Nashaka. That is Dravidi is the synonym. So synonym, the basonym of Ela. Elayati iti il prerane. Okay, in the same way, so Malayaja is the synonym of Chandana. So the basonym of Chandana is Chandayati, Ahalladayati, Janan, Sugandatvat, Sitalatvacha. Okay, so which gives the pleasure, Ahladana, because of its aroma, because of its Sugandha and its cooling effect. The botanical source of Chandana is Santalum album. Santalum album. See the name album which denotes Shveta Varna. Santalum album. That is Shveta Chandana. Santalum album. It belongs to the family Santalaceae family. It belongs to the family Santalaceae family. So among the Santalaceae family, this Santalum album is a semi-root parasitic plant. So it is very interesting. So during their earlier stage, when you were preparing the sampling, when you were doing the sampling, so at that time, so as it is semi-root parasitic plant. Parasitic plant means which depends upon the plants for its growth, for its food purpose. In the same way, that is semi-parasitic. I will show some pictures. So where you will get, when you want to grow this plant in earlier stage, so along with the Chandana, you have to grow another plant near to that Chandana plant. So the roots which absorbs the nutrients from other plants, which the roots of Chandana, which absorbs the nutrients from the other plants. So by that they used to grow. Okay, so this is root parasitic plant which belongs to the Santalaceae family. So the vernacular names of Chandana, in Hindi it is called Safed Chandan, in English it is called sandalwood or Indian sandalwood also you can say. Kannadadalli Gandhada Mara. Okay, so according to Charaka, he used to mention under Varnya Mahakashaya. Varnya, the first 10 Mahakashaya, he mentioned the 8th Mahakashaya as Varnya Mahakashaya. The second 10 Mahakashaya, he used to mention like Kandugna and Vishagna. The second 10 Mahakashaya, the 2 Mahakashayas, that is Kandugna and Vishagna. And the third 10 Mahakashaya, that is Nigrahana. So there he used to mention under Trishna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. First 10 Varnya, the second 10 Kandugna and Vishagna, the third 10 Trishna Nigrahana, and fourth 10 is Daha Prashamana and Daha Prashamana and Angamarda Prashamana Mahakashaya. So, Amel. So, please remember, especially ladies, in the Vaivasi question, they used to ask about, tell the Varnya Mahakashaya Dravyas. Varnya Mahakashaya Dravyas. What is meant by Varnya? Varnaya Hitam Varnyam. Varnaya Hitam. So Gangadhara, while commenting on Charaka Sutrasthana 4th chapter, that is Shadvirejana Shatashritiya Adhyaya, he used to comment there on Varnya Mahakashaya. He used to say, Varnaya Hitam Varnyam. So Varna Dravyas are those which normalize and improves the skin complexion, which normalize and improves the skin complexion. So those drugs are called as Varna Dravyas. Especially Varna Dravyas we used in case of like to treat the conditions like Kushta like conditions. Okay, so they used to explain. Okay, so that's why. So please remember, especially as Varna Dravyas. Especially ladies, they used to ask this question, right? Or can you explain the Varna Mahakashaya Dravyas? So the Varna Mahakashaya Dravyas, Acharya Charaka mentioned, this is the first drug, that is Chandana. Chandana, Tunga, Chandana, Tunga, Padmaka, Ushira, Maduka, Manjishta, Sariva, Payasya, Sita, Lata, iti dashamani varnyani bhavanti. So please remember, Chandana, Tunga, Padmaka, Ushira, Manjishta, Maduka, Sariva, Payasya, Sita, Lata, iti dashamani varnyani bhavanti. So almost all these drugs are tiktarasatmaka dravyas and raktashodhaka dravyas. So because of its tiktarasa and raktashodhana karma, so which will pacify the vitiated pitta and which gives the complexion, which increases the complexion. So the drugs like Chandana. So Chandana, that is Santalum album. Tunga. Tunga is a synonym of Punnaga. Tunga is a synonym of Punnaga. That is Calophyllum, Enophyllum. That is Punnaga, Surapunnaga. So Nagakeshara. So all of the belongs to Clusiaceae family drugs, Clusiaceae family members. So Chandana, Tunga, Padmaka. So don't get confusion. So most of the times Padma is a synonym of Kamala. It is Padmaka. Padma is an herb, that is an aquatic plant, whereas Padmaka is a ruksha. Padmaka, that is Prunus styroscides. Padmaka is Prunus styroscides, which belongs to Rosaceae family. Okay, so Padmaka, that is Prunus styroscides. It is a tree. Okay, so Chandana, Tunga, Padmaka, and Ushira, that is Vetiveria jejunoides, which belongs to Graminae family or Poaceae family. That is one of the Tiktarasatmaka dravyas. Their mula is the useful part. Okay, so Chandana, Tunga, Padmaka, Ushira, Madhuka. So here Madhuka is St. Madhu, Glycera is a glabra. Madhuka, Manjishta, that is Rubia cardifolia, and Sariva, that is Hemidismus indicus. Payasya, that is Ipomea digitata. Payasya. Sita Lata. So Sita Lata, it is a synonym of Durva, or they used to consider as Durva Dvaya. Durva Dvaya. That is Synodona dactylona. Synodona dactylona is the botanical source for Durva. So Durva, you can say like Garike Hullu. So it is having Sita and Lata as a synonym. So that is which is useful in case of to do the Varanya, which increases the skin complexion. And Kandugna Mahakashaya already we have discussed. Okay, Kandum Hantiti, Kandugnam. So in this Kandugna Mahakashaya also, Chandana is the first drug. Chandana is the first drug in Kandugna Mahakashaya. So there, Chandana, Naladha, Krutamala, Naktamala, Nimbha, Kutaja, Sarshapa, Daruharidra, Mustani Tadashamani, Kandugnani Bhavanti. Yes, Acharya Charaka mentions under Kandugna Mahakashaya, that is Chandana, Nalada, Krutamala, Naktamala, Nimbha, Kutaja, Sarshapa, Daruharidra, Mustani Tadashamani, Kandugnani Bhavanti. Already we have discussed the drugs which are mentioned under Kandugna Mahakashaya. Okay. So Vishagna Mahakashaya. So this also we have discussed while explaining about I think Haridra. Yes, Vishagna Mahakashaya. Visham Hanti iti Vishagnam. So what are the Vishagna dravyas? So under the Vishagna Mahakashaya, the first drug is Haridra. Haridra, Manjishta. Haridra, Manjishta, Suvaha. Haridra, Manjishta, Suvaha, and Haridra, Manjishta, Suvaha, Shirisha, Kataka, Shinduvara, Shinduvara, Shleshmataka. So these are the drugs which are mentioned under Vishagna Mahakashayas. And Trushnagna Mahakashaya, that is Trushnam Nigrahanati Stambhayati iti Trushna Nigrahanam. Trushnam Nigrahanati Stambhayati iti Trushna Nigraham. The drugs one which does the nigrahana of excessive thirst, not the normal thirst, excessive thirst. There are some conditions where there will be a person is having on and off, he used to drink water. Even after taking the plenty of water, the Trishna is not going to be reduced. In such type of conditions, you can use or you can utilize these drugs. So you can easily remember the drugs which are mentioned under Trishna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. If you know the Shadanga Paniya, so you can easily write Trishna Nigrahana Dravyas. So please recollect what are the drugs which are mentioned under Shadanga Paniya. So what are the drugs which are mentioned under Shadanga Paniya? Musta, Parpata, Ushira, Chandana, Udicha, Nagara. So these are the 6 drugs. Yes. Musta, Parpata, Ushira, Chandana, Udicha, Nagara. So these are the 6 drugs which are mentioned as Shadanga Paniya. Okay, these are the main ingredients. So if you remove the Ushira, from Shadanga Paniya, so it becomes 5 drugs. That is Musta, Parpata, Chandana, Udicha, and Nagara. So Udicha is a synonym of Rivera or Sugandha Bala. That is Povenia odorata. Okay. So Musta, Parpata, Chandana, Udicha, and Nagara. Along with these 5 drugs, you can add Dhanyaka, Danvayasaka. Please remember Dhanyaka, Danvayasaka, and Kirata Tikta, Guduchi. Kirata Tikta, Guduchi, Patolapatra. So these are 3 Tiktasatmaka Dravyas. Guduchi, Kirata Tikta, Patolapatra. Guduchi, Kirata Tikta, Patolapatra, Dhanyaka, Danvayasaka, and Musta, Parpata, Chandana, Udicha, Nagara. So these are the 10 drugs which are helpful to control or to cure the conditions like Trishna. That is Trishnam Nigrahanati Stambhayati iti Trishna Nigrahanam. Okay, so please remember these drugs. So next, Daha Prashamana and Angamardha Prashamana. So that we'll discuss in another context. Okay, so please remember the drugs which are mentioned under Chandana is mentioned under 6 Mahakashaya. Under the 50 Mahakashaya, so he used to under 6 Mahakashaya. Chandana is 1. The first 10 Mahakashaya, that is 8th one is Varna. The second 10 is Khandugna and Vishagna, and the third 10, that is Trishna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. And the fourth 10 Daha Prashamana and in the fifth 10 Daha Prashamana and Angamardha Prashamana. Okay. Next we'll move to the according to Shushruta. Shushruta mentioned under Sala Saradigana, Patola and Sarivadi. Sala Saradi, Patoladi and Sarivadi. So in Sarivadi so Acharya Shushruta mentioned this Chandana Dvaya as Shishira Dvaya. Chandana Dvaya as Shishira Dvaya. Okay. Next we'll move to the synonyms of Chandana. So the synonyms of Chandana based on the availability, that is the first one is Malayaja. Malaya, Malayaja, Malaya Deshodbhava. So these are all the synonyms of based on the availability, the different